What's up, everybody? I'm back. I know it's been a long time, but I'm here with my boy, Sam. He's one of my longtime clients. Right now, I'm hitting him with the three closed. We're about to give him a high ball fade. We got to take the bulk out. I'm using my JRLs. First, I'm going to set my first guideline. I'm going to use the trimmers. I have the FX Blue Blade on the Chameleon Skin FX trimmers, that low LIs. All I'm doing is just setting my first guideline and taking that first bulk off. I'm gonna use my balders. I got the wall white balders, sterling. These go crazy. Now, I know I've been late, I've been lagging it, but I'm gonna keep doing more of these. Just stay tuned. So right now, all I'm gonna do is just set my first guideline. It's clipper lever all the way open. And all I'm doing is just setting my first guideline. You don't have to go as fast as me. Take your time. There's no rush. Don't forget a brush. Start getting this nice and ready. I'm going to start closing the notches one by one. Now, I really like these clippers. These clippers are super quiet, super effective, and they last long. So all I'm doing is just doing trigger play, just flicking out that line. I'm setting my open guideline. This is still the first guideline. I'm just doing one side to the other. Don't be scared to use the brush. Take your time. Right now, I've been cutting his hair for over 7 years, so it's a little bit easier for me to cut his hair and I can skip a few steps. But right now we're doing step by step. All we're doing is closing the notches little by little till we see that guideline off. Next, I'm going to use the one guard close to set our second guideline. And all I'm going to do is just go all the way around with this. I have my 1/16 or my half guard all the way open. And all I'm doing is just lightening up that line, just tapping it, just super soft, just letting it soften up so we can see that one guideline disappear. Now, as you can see, I'm going with the haircut. So you can see I'm going where the hair is angled. I'm hitting that corner of the clipper to hit it at that angle so I can get that dark line out. Remember, guys, use your brush. Take your time. You don't have to go as fast as I'm going. There is no rush for perfection. Right now, all I'm doing is just going to fade down. I have the two open, and I'm just going to start closing it. Now, I already set my first guideline. My second guideline, I have the 1. I know my top of the hair is a 3, so I'm going to use the 2.5 and start fading in between. This is something new. I usually go step by step, but all I'm doing is now going for one step and knowing the other step and just fading it into the middle. I'm using my 1 open just to get that guideline out. See, this is the other side of the 1 with the 1/16 and the half. I'm just doing one side and then I'm doing the other side. I don't want to confuse you guys. And just tap away lightly. There's no rush. Now, it's funny. Me and this client, we've known each other since high school. So it's fun to cut his hair. Now, I'm using I believe it's Patrick the Barber or Frank the Barber Babyliss FX liners. These came out during the pandemic. I got my first hand on them. I really love these. I always use these. And all I'm doing is just lining them up. Switch clipper just so you can see the different angles. And all we're doing is just tapping away at the line. Remember to use the angle of the clipper, the edge of it. Try not to use the whole blade. Take your time. There's no rush. Funny thing is, sometimes I'll even use multiple clippers for a haircut. And this is the final product, y'all. A 3 with a bald fade. Nothing too crazy, nothing too sharp. Don't forget to like, sub, and subscribe. Always hit me with the thumbs up.